Hey, Matt here, and welcome to another Mob Street video. I'm out here with my 2019 TW200, and if you've ever wondered how fast a TW goes, stick around, because I'm going to show you. Now I'm out here on my test road that I used for my last video because again, it isn't heavily traveled. Nice little road out here in the country where I can come and test the top speed of the TW. You really want to know what the top speed of the TW200 is? Truthful answer, it's going to be different for everybody. There are quite a few variables that go into a motorcycle's top speed. Weight, weather conditions, temperature, tire pressure, tire condition, all these sorts of things need to be taken into consideration. So, the top speed is going to be different for everybody. For me, today, I'm sitting just below 6,000 feet of elevation. I'm 45 degrees outside. I'm more of a husky rider. So those things are going to affect my TW's top speed. I did air up my tires. I've got 22 PSI in the front, 25 PSI in the rear, so that I can get the most out of these tires as possible. And this TW is not running the stock gearing anymore. I now have a 52 tooth rear sprocket running with the stock 14 tooth front sprocket. What's my top speed? Let's find out. There we go. 66 miles an hour is what the TW topped out at. Now, as you can see, I was using a digital speedometer on there. I had a GPS that was clocking my speed. It said 66 miles an hour. The analog meter said I was just below 70. Would I run that speed all the time? No, I wouldn't, because that sucker was running the red line and that engine was just screaming. And with the gearing that I've got on this, it makes no sense. I did not buy my TW200 for the top speed. I bought my TW just to get out, enjoy the country, just enjoy the roads, enjoy the hills, and just to be out and spend time with my family and have a good time. So 66 miles an hour, sweet, that works for me. Now, I hope you found this video informative. If there's any questions, comments, things that I could do better, go ahead and put those down below, and I do my best to get back to those as soon as I can. We're going to call her there. I'm Matt. This is my 2019 TW200. This is Mob Street, and thanks for watching. Now, when you're thinking of the top speed of the TW200, there's a few things that you need to take in. Now, when you think of the top speed of the TW200, there's a few things that you need to take into consideration. First thing, it's a TW. For this test, I was able to hit 66 miles an hour, almost fast enough to generate the 1.21 gigawatts to go back to the future. If it's top speed you're looking for, you might want to gear the TW down a little bit. So, for this test, boom! For this test, boom. Who says boom?